Oh, that is...
Ang maganda dito, it was also a game of adjustments for both squads.
That's right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Diba? Pareho Parehong nagbabasa, palit-palit ng players sa loob.
Pero nag-breakdown nga ang defense ng Smart in that fourth set. That's why we could hear dun sa mga huddles nila. Yun pa rin, depensa. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Ito si Cassini, 19 points na. Valdez with the same number. Cotruang with, or 18 kay Valdez. Cotruang with 7. Gonzaga with 17. Dakis with 15. Basso with 11.
Well, Cassini again gets that through.
Yan ang maganda. Parang hindi mo naman pinamibigay just because hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mong set. So, in fact, si Cassini has been turning trash to gold. Kanina pa.
That is true. Cotruang, Ferrer, Soltones, Balse, andon. Too near the net. Dakis.
It was just too close to the net. And Smart Maynila from the start of the fifth set, parang combination.
That's right. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Parang yung kombinasyon ng kulay ng Mikasa, di ba? So siguro tong si Coach Roger, ang plan niya is yung gulpi di gulat dito sa Philippine Army.
Oo nga.
But Dakis once again. Ito naman din yung isang player na pag crunch time, gusto mo naman puntahan. Mabihira kang bikuin ito Bunag sending that straight into the net. Something you don't want to see sa fifth set. Yan yung mga no-nos, di ba, ng mga coaches. Wag naman ngayong fifth set.
Because it's a race
Ubusin nyo na sa first four.
It's a race to 15 only. Salak.
Ang ganda naman nun, pero mas maganda pa yung single block ni Cassini.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Ferrer saves that. Cotruang. Gonzaga, Balse. Good dig. Gohing. Still alive. Torres, Salak, Dakis.
Rizal, but dug up by Valdez.
Walang blockers nun, Good defense.
Ito, malapit sa net, pero ang Cassini, nandun na naman.
Good save. Buhay pa. Soltones, Ferrer, back set, Cassini hits it out.
Ito lang, si Torres, mukhang hindi na nakabangon.
Coach Rico carries Torres out on court. So Nunag kailangan maging libero for here in this fifth set.
Meron pa naman silang isa, pero itong pangyayari doon, ako yung tuhod
Oh my God. Naiwan no?
Ni Torres.
But that's always been yung problem niya, no?
Yes,
yung knee.
that's why it's heavily covered, di ba, with the support.
Well, back to the match. Ferrer, Cotruang, block, Gohing, nandun. Ferrer, back row, Valdez.
What a time for that back row hit to work. Kanina, towards the end of the fourth, and nakukuha niya na
6-3, Cassini. Nunag gives it to Tina. Gonzaga. Cassini sets it. Cotruang, block!
Alam mo, nababasa na ng Philippine Army to sa Cotruang. Ang bagong player nitong si Coach Roger. Ang bilis, Ang bilis nilang nabasa yung mga palo. Or, in the same way, baka naman itong si Cotruang, minimake sure lang niya yung mga palo niya. Tinitingnan niya muna, parang pasok-pasok lang. Nananad siya din.
That's true. Pwede rin, Bakit niya bibinahin ka agad? No bearing naman.
Tsaka gusto niya munang basahin. Paano ba tong laro dito? Soriano now inside.
That's right. And a smart tip over. Cotruang serving 7-4.
But
Si Cotruang naninibago pa dito, no? Iba pa rin yung atmosphere of playing in a foreign country,
At yung brand of play, may kanya-kanya din naman yan siguro. Tsaka yung mga players, hindi talaga very unfamiliar. Hindi katulad sa locally, siguro kahit papano nakita niyang maglaro.
And another error para sa Army. Bautista hitting that into the antenna. And Smart Maynilad with a comfortable 3-point lead here in the fifth set, 8-5.
Well, actually, it was already a bad angle for Nene